Hello and welcome to my channel, friends. Today we are going to learn how to do shading for a face and also learn how to draw curly hairs. So initially I started off with the 2B pencil to do the initial layering. Giving an initial layer is very important, so I'm starting with the eyes and slowly move on to lips, nose. Drawing an angry face, there will be a lot of wrinkles, so creating those wrinkle layers with the 2B pencil is important. Once the initial layering is done, I started off with the 4B pencil to put on the highlights of the darker areas. Stumps to blend in the layers together. The paper stumps are really good to smoothen out the graphite and adds a realistic touch to your sketch. It creates a sense of depth. Starting with to shade the hair and create curly hair effect. Initially I used a 4B pencil to shade off the areas, and then I am trying to smoothen it out using a paper stump. And after that I will use 8B pencil and 10B pencil to create the highlights, and again I will use a paper stamp to smoothen it out, so it gives a very nice effect. Hope you guys have enjoyed learning this. Do give it a like and thumbs up, and please subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.